All right, good morning, pure structure traders. Today is August 6th, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'm going to give you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then I'll move over to gold and oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Other than that, let's go ahead and hop into them. So right now, a little bit of resistance here at 44.28 that I got, but right now pretty bullish still. I do got a prior level of resistance 44.1450, and below that 44.0405 as a next level of support. Another main level down below for me is going to be 43.8125 and then 43.6225. Those are a little bit wider levels, but I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels she has up here on these charts, and we'll go from there.
Okay, let's get down to it. I like to always start at the bottom and work my way up to see what micro peaks have been used and which ones have not been used. So as we go down the chart and start at 44.06, that is a major level because it was support of a double neck back on 8.3 and was used as resistance. Resistance hasn't, it didn't go down to it for the clean bounce for support, but it hovered around that area and used the area of 44.08 because that is a little bit of a micro peak above it. So it used that area. The next one up, the market just shot right past these two. I have one at 12.75, didn't even bother to use it. I also have one at 14 or more like 15. Market just continued to skyrocket. But what it did use was the prior peak and resistance from 8.3, and that's the 17.25. You can see that it used it during London. And it also took a beautiful clean bounce this morning. I would have hit a long, but I wasn't quite alert. But that's the area to hit the long. Now, where are the micro peaks above that? 42.21, 44.2150. You can see how the market used that peak as a continuational move. That is where I hit the long. 44.2150. You can see that, right? The next one is going to be 25. So let's see how the market reacts as it heads on up to retest the 27, 28, 29 area. Maybe it'll come down and use the 25 area as a bounce, but we are in uncharted territories. We are at all-time highs. We have no clue where this market's going to go. We can only use these micro peaks as our tour guide and the rotations, of course. And that's what I have for SPOOs today. Dave, what do you have for oil and gold?
Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and jump into it. So pulling up here on gold, we do got some support coming in here right around these 1773s. We'll see if the market holds this area and then tries to pull back to the upside. Right now, a little bit of micro resistance, 1775.6. Above that, we'll be trying to target right between these 79 to right around these 83. 1783. So we'll see if we get the support here. If not, down below next level 1766.2 and then 1759.4. Lots of bearish movement going on gold. So again, if you want to trade with the trend, make sure you guys are short on this thing. Moving over to oil for you guys. Looking at oil on a bigger chart, we've hit a little bit of resistance, this wall of 69.92. We finally broke through these 69.26s, came on top, found the support, and then try to head back up. 1, 2, 3 resistance peaks right here. So we may see if we find support right in between this level or if we come all the way back down to these 69.26s. If we do, we'll look out for the support. If we get below 69.26, we'll look to see if the market tries to drop off to 67.48 or a little bit higher from there. But with that said, let's go ahead and get ready for the open.